हेलो एंड जैसे एक चाय की कप बस नहीं होती वैसे ही हमारा एक हाइटी लाइफ तो बस नहीं हो सकता. सो आई होप यू एंजॉयड एंड हैड टू मच फन विथ ह्यूमरसली योर्स. अब हम आपको मिलाने वाले हैं विद द लीडिंग फेस बिहाइंड द लीडिंग वॉइस. आपने इनकी आवाज़ तो बहुत सुनी है. अब जब आप उन्हें सुनेंगे आप उसके साथ उन्हें देखेंगे भी. यस, वी हैव दर्पण मेहता, the leading man behind the leading voice, the voice artist behind all the TV shows and TV networks and a lot of brands. Today, we're going to talk to him about his journey, about his workshops, and maybe you could learn a lot more and see how tough it is even being just the voice over of your favorite artist. So let's see if he's here and send him a request. And he's right here. So let's. Hello everyone, thank you for joining us live. Hope you all enjoy and hope you all have your questions ready. Thank you for messaging me the questions. Hello Darpan.
Hi Shweta, how are you doing? You're looking ravishing, absolutely gorgeous, as always.
Thank you. How have you been? Being the traveler, you are also quarantined in Bombay. कैसे feel हो रहा है?
बहुत अजीब लग रहा है. पाँव को ऐसा लग रहा है किसी किसी पंछी को पिंजरे में बंद कर दिया हो.
क्योंकि आप तो सोलो ट्रैवलर भी हो. Like usually people need to plan. You just pack your bags and go, and suddenly there's
यार,
no traveling.
मेरा तो ऐसा है जैसे हमारे मोदी जी कहते हैं कि हम तो फकीर आदमी है, झोला लेके निकल जाते हैं.
Exactly. So I can
मेरा
imagine you.
मेरा उल्टा है, हम तो वॉइस आर्टिस्ट आदमी है, माइक्रोफोन लेके निकल जाते हैं.
मैं वो ही बोलने वाली थी कि मैं और मेरा माइक्रोफोन अक्सर ट्रैवल करते हैं और कहीं
अरे
से भी
क्या
रिकॉर्ड करते हैं.
Beautiful, beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. So, Shweta, you are rocking Instagram. That's why I made that little voiceover promo for you. क्योंकि हम लोग टीवी में तो दिन रात करते रहते हैं, क्या होगा जब ये होगा, क्या होगा जब कुमकुम भाग्य में ये होगा. तो मैंने कहा ऐसा करें कि क्या होगा जब इंस्टाग्राम की
Oh
आवाज
yes, it was beautiful. Oh shit, this is so sweet.
and the best part, I didn't even charge you for it.
Oh no, this is like, hey, the
हमारा
Cindy
प्रॉब्लम
in me.
हमारा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम वॉइस आर्टिस्ट हैं, हम तो बोलने का पैसा लेते हैं, तो ज्यादा बात भी नहीं करते हैं लोगों से, क्योंकि फिर वरना तकलीफ होने लग जाती है कि यार तो पैसा तो दे नहीं रहा है और बात करे जा रहा
और हम
है.
सिंधी है तो जब आपने कहा फ्री में आओगे हमने कहा चलो लाइव सेशन कर रहे थे. आई ऑल्सो डोंट चार्ज यू फॉर इट. द सिंधी इन मी सेड
दोस्तों को चार्ज नहीं करते, दोस्तों को चार्ज नहीं करते, और दोस्तों को बिल्कुल नहीं करते.
thank God, the lucky me, I'm blessed. So, Darpan, we all and all my viewers are waiting to know the success story as you are one of the top, or I think the only names when it comes to voiceovers. Like, I mean, you've got a fantabulous journey, yeah. Like, how did it all begin? Tell me how it started.
So it's been a long time. अब तो बुढ़ापा आ गया है, जवानी की बात करते हैं. So I've been a voice artist or voice talent, voice actor, whatever you may call it, for more than 22 years now, which is a long time. यार इतना टाइम तो आजकल लोगों के करियर नहीं चलते हैं.
It's like
ऐसे
2 decades, yeah.
more than 2 decades actually, more than 22 years. So बचपन में शुरुआत कर ली थी ऐसा लगता है. So I started off with All India Radio. After college, I did a in management and I dabbled in finance, and somewhere I felt that the creative world was my calling. I used to do a lot of anchoring and stuff in college. तब तो ये वॉइस का करियर इतना डेवलप भी नहीं था, तो तब बड़ा कमाल होता था. घर में पूछते थे करते क्या हो, मैं बोलता था मैं बोलता हूँ, तो दे वुड बी लाइक बोलते तो हम भी हैं, क्या हुआ ये. बड़ा वक्त लगा उनको समझाने में कि बोलने के पैसे मिलते हैं. और सो दैट्स हाउ आई टेल विद ऑल इंडिया रेडियो the commercial world,
Uh,
the premium world of television.
your net is giving us an issue. You are kind of blurring and we can't hear you. Do you want to connect again? Hello, people. Hello, Gautam. Hello, VD007. We are just asking if he can join us back. So give us a second. Should be here soon. Ah, there. You are back. Yes.
तो yeah, so where were we? So I started with All India Radio, and so there used to be this interesting dial-in show. उस वक्त ये बड़ा नया concept when people would आज जैसे Instagram live होता है, it's very easy for people to come live on video. उस वक्त obviously technology नहीं थी, and people would call in on your number at the radio station, and I used to do the 11 o'clock till 12 o'clock midnight live dial-in show. बड़ा कमाल था क्योंकि my instruction to the guy who was my assistant at that time was very simple. That he was supposed to only give me calls from girls, nothing from guys. So, yeah, absolutely. रात को 11 से 12 बजे किसी बात करना है. So कमाल का ये होता था कि रात को 2-2 बजे तक लड़कियों के फोन आते थे रेडियो स्टेशन में टू टॉक, और मैं तो निकल जाता था 12 बजे. So the radio station guys at All India Radio would be really hot. They were like, आप यार कुछ करो, आप वरना आपका नंबर दे देंगे हम लड़कियों. मैंने बोला दे दो ना यार, ये कोई पूछने की बात है, बिल्कुल नंबर दे दो. So वहां से शुरुआत हुई, और फिर I moved to television. Then gradually I became the brand voice for most TV networks. I have been the brand voice of Sony Entertainment Television for more than 12, 14 years. I am also the brand voice of the Z Network. I guess across television, hardly would there be any television channel.
You've done Z, Sony, Star, like
Star,
you
everything.
have been with all the networks, like name it and you're there.
Yeah. And then obviously corporate audiovisuals, radio, so anything and everything that can pay you your price. So it's as simple as that. So it's been fun.
So when you started and you joined the radio, and did you like, today you're teaching, but back then did you do any particular course or it was self-learned and you just started off?
That's a very interesting question, because at that time there was in fact no, training option, training opportunity, nothing like that. So all of us had to learn on our own, and we had to learn along the way, basically. So maybe that is what put the germ in my mind about wanting to start to share the skills that I have learned over the years. हम बड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ी, मुश्किल से ठोकरें खा खा के सीखना पड़ा. Everything about voice acting. Voice acting is a very complex craft, very very complex. So what led to, उस वक्त तो कोई organized programs नहीं थे, अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, to be very honest. But now there are people, including me, there are some leading voices who do train, who do share their skills. So, yeah.
So what was it like? From where did you get the passion कि मुझे radio join करना है, मुझे voice over artist बनना है? Like, see, today there are so many mediums. Back then, before you even started with the networks, it was just the radio, and even radio was not where you had so many FM stations like today. So what was it that वो कीड़ा कहाँ से आया आपको?
यार ये बड़ा कमाल का सवाल है श्वेता, क्योंकि ना ये बहुत लोग समझते नहीं है कि कीड़ा होना बहुत जरूरी है. So voice acting जो काम है, या फिर acting, what you do, everything that we do as performing artists, I'm sure you mean that you need to have a flair. अंग्रेजी में flair कहते हैं, हिंदी में कीड़ा कहते हैं. So I think कीड़ा बहुत टाइम से था. College में I was at one point of time the student of the year in my college. I was the cultural head, the general secretary of my college students union. I used to anchor a lot of programs. So there was this कीड़ा तो था, but obviously इसको channelize करना जरूरी था. And what you're asking is very pertinent, क्योंकि उस वक्त ना तो इतने channels थे, ना इतना काम था, ना रेडियो था. तो I guess foresight थी और एक पागलपन था कि यार ये काम जो है, बोली ये बड़ा है और आगे ना पीछे, it will yield dividend. And that is what happened. शुरुआत में उस वक्त I invested many years of my life, and as things moved ahead, the industry, media became a big industry. Today, voiceovers or dubbing or whatever you call it is a very important part of our industry. So I guess कुछ ना कुछ तो foresight थी और लगे रहे. उस वक्त इतना दिमाग नहीं था to keep hopping from here to there. तो उस वक्त it's important to just blindly keep going and keep doing what you do. So
yeah, so like you said, the passion is very important, and be persistent about like, I want to continue this, and you will get the dividends.
Absolutely.
So what was it, which was the first network you started dubbing for, and how did the journey begin? Like, how did they approach you or you approach them? How did it start from radio to networks?
Right. So it's a very interesting story, Shweta. Dubbing of voiceovers अलग चीज है. Dubbing में जहाँ पर आप lips को sync करते हो characters के साथ screen पर, वो है. Voiceovers में हम we work without a video reference. तो डबिंग से और कई साल में डबिंग बहुत करता था. तो जब पहली बार मैंने ट्राई किया तो मेरे पास तो कोई एक्सपीरियंस था नहीं. अब इट वाज अ कैच 22. कहीं भी जाओ आप, यू नो हाउ इट फील्स कि अगर आप एक्टर हो, आप जाओगे, पूछेंगे आपने कोई काम किया है, you'll be like नहीं कुछ काम नहीं किया है. They'll be like नहीं कुछ एक्सपीरियंस लेकर आओ. आप बोलोगे काम करूंगा नहीं तो एक्सपीरियंस कहां से होगा. तो ये चक्री चल रही थी शुरुआती दिनों में. सो वन फाइन लाइक अब तो बहुत हो गया. अब तो गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी to showcase my talent. So there's a leading, audio company in Mumbai, in India rather. तो मैंने उनको फोन किया और मैंने उनसे कहा कि यार मुझे ऑडिशन करना है. उन्होंने बोला आपने कुछ काम किया पहले? मैंने झूठ बोल दिया. मैंने कहा हाँ, फलाना टिमका ये सीरीज वो सीरीज मैंने की है. और ऐसा बोल के मैं उनके स्टूडियो चला गया. उन्होंने मुझे बुला लिया स्टूडियो में टू ऑडिशन. और ऑडिशन जब हुआ तो मुझे तो आता नहीं था कि ये काम होता कैसे है. आई हैड नो आइडिया हाउ दिस वर्क्स. एज लक वुड हैव इट, मैं जब गया ऑडिशन के लिए स्टूडियो में, देयर वाज अनदर हु वाज रिकॉर्डिंग मी और उनको थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा था. तो वो जो 5-7 मिनट आई गॉट टू वॉच हिम एंड आई सॉ हिम डब एंड आई पिक्ड अप द टेक्निक इन 5 मिनट्स.
वाओ.
सालों जिसको लगते हैं सीखने में, 5 मिनट में मैंने पिकअप किया. एंड देन व्हेन आई वेंट इन फॉर माय ऑडिशन आई गॉट इट बैंग इन वन टेक एंड दे वर लाइक ओके यू सीम टू बी गुड इनफ, चलो हम आपको बुलाया. दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड विद डबिंग. वॉइस ओवर्स की अगर बात करें, द फर्स्ट मेजर नेटवर्क आई साइंड अप फॉर वाज द सोनी एंटरटेनमेंट टेलीविजन नेटवर्क. There was no looking back, and there was nothing that I did not do. I think till today I must have done more than a couple of lakh television programs, if not more. Couple of lakh would be an underestimate. Absolutely.
Wow, obviously, like so many years, like I mean, it's like half a lifetime if I say, like मेरे आधे से ज़्यादा lifetime से आप voice over कर रहे हो.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Like जब आपका when I read the whole thing of the voice artist, I'm like ये एक लाइव सेशन में कैसे खत्म करूँ मैं questions पूछ के.
25 साल का सफर 25 मिनट में कैसे पूरा?
Exactly. So I said चलो ठीक है first कर लेते हैं and then we can have many more. But let me at least get started and know a little because there's so much that you've done and there's so much that we want to know.
No, and you are rocking it, Shweta. You're talking about me. Let me talk about you because I've been following your work on Instagram. And let me tell, all your, viewers, fans out there that you're one rocking girl. Because it's, it is so difficult. It's not easy. एक होता है to blabber, on video. You can just be alone and talk on video. But to have people, accomplished people from different walks of life, be able to have a conversation with them day in and day out, sometimes 4-5 times a day. I mean, I don't want to sound cheeky. Otherwise, I would have said that you do it sometimes 5 times a day on Instagram. But I won't say that because it can have different connotations. So I won't say that. But you know what I mean. So it's wow, it's rocking. So my compliments. I remember meeting you during that one little session that we had, and I had no idea at that time that you are such a rock star on Instagram, especially.
Thank you. Shweta's a rock star with grace. Okay, you've just given badhawa to people. And yeah, thank you so much for the compliment.
So basically, that I think Vivek Kapoor is saying that Shweta is Alia Bhatt with Grace cells.
Yeah, I totally agree to that because at least I enjoy and I'm glad that I have y'all coming and enjoying along with me my high tea during quarantine. So we all are having a great time. Cheers to it.
That's my lovely green tea from Colombo, which I'm having on your high tea. So cheers to that.
Cheers to it. So before coming, I was like, अभी voice over artist के साथ जा रही हूँ, थोड़ा गरम पी लूँ, तो मैंने मेरी black coffee गल डाउन कर ली in that चक्कर. I said I need the energy to ask the questions of so many decades of voice over.
Yeah. So you need the energy. You need the energy to go through so many live sessions. I can't even imagine that. So kudos to you.
Thank you. So tell me, आपने बिग बॉस किया है, फिल्म फेयर किया है, स्टार स्क्रीन किया है, अल्फा किया है, नच बले किया है, डांस प्लस किया है, दिल है हिंदुस्तान किया है, many 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 more. Each one is different. Each one has a different protocol. Obviously, the scripts are different. The entire creative is different. So when you go ahead to dub for it, how do you have to function? What is your mindset? What is it like when you're doing these different kind of things?
ऑफ कोर्स सो लेट मी करेक्ट यू मैंने बिग बॉस नहीं किया है बिग बॉस मेरे बहुत अजीज दोस्त हैं जो बिग बॉस की आवाज उनका नाम मैं नहीं ले सकता क्योंकि उनका
Okay.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
I am sorry I mentioned about
but
Big Boss.
no, no, no.
My mistake.
It's
But
it's
many
a
more.
compliment. It's a privilege. But at the same time, Big Boss के अलावा, you're not completely wrong. क्योंकि Big Boss के अलावा, 90% if more of the biggest television shows in India carry my voice. So
Yeah,
whether it
exactly.
is Filmfare Awards for more than 15 years, whether it is the IFA Awards, the Cine
The
Awards,
Star Screen
Film Awards,
Awards.
and आजकल तो ऐसा हो
KBC
गया है
also.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ये कुछ नाम है 25-30 तो साल में और एंड देर ऑल बिग और उसके अलावा ऑल रियलिटी शोज सो एवरीथिंग so yeah of course that's an important question that how does not just any voice artist functions you know voice acting Shweta is so much more about your mind than your voice so when I'm
Okay.
talking sessions or films or whatever, I tell them that on a scale of 1 to 10, if I have to position voice in voice acting, I would put it at 5. I'm not putting it at 1.
Okay.
So in shows को जब आप करते हो तो उनकी आपकी एक brief होती है कि you know these shows have a lot of grandeur, you have a lot of grand feeling to it, and you need to come across as a swashbuckling, savvy guy who people would like to listen to, someone who is very charming, someone who is smiling, and someone who is very confident. Because when you watch television or films, you are basically watching your best version that you dream of yourself, right? When you watch actors, कहीं ना कहीं आप उनको उनमें खुद को देखते हो क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि यार मैं तो ऐसा नहीं हूं पर काश मैं ऐसा हो पाता दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स देम एस्पिरेशनल उसी तरह वॉइस एक्टिंग की भी अगर बात करें तो व्हेन यू लिसन टू टीवी वॉइस ओवर shows or these TV shows, we need to sound larger than life. We need to sound like what people would love to listen to. So we need to sound like semi-gods sometimes or demi-gods sometimes. So that's what we need to keep in mind when we're approaching this. You can't just read a script. So the thing here is you are performing a script. You're not just reading it. So there are a lot of elements to voice acting. You've got to think about your expression, about how you project your voice, about how well do you speak a language, about what kind of a tempo, what kind of energy do you have. So voice acting is like driving a car with like 10 pedals, not just two. हम गाड़ी चलाते हैं, एक्सेलरेटर होता है, ब्रेक होता है, क्लच होता है. यहाँ पर कम से कम 15 पेडल होते हैं जिनको दबाना होता है सही पोजीशन में to drive the car called voice acting. So it's a complex thing, but it's fun. It's a new script every day. It's a new role that you're doing every day, so it's fun.
And like you said, like you are performing with the voice. So, like as an artist, when you're doing a sync sound and all, it's very easy because you're doing your actions. But when you're performing with voice, you are actually living it just through your voice. And that's that has to go there. So, how much preparation goes into it? Like the whole thing is so challenging compared to doing it. So what is it like?
So before I give you the answer, I want to ask you. Now you have nothing to do with voice acting. You have nothing to do with voiceovers. You're from a totally different. How did you prepare for these questions? Because you are asking me questions which even people who sometimes interview me from the voice industry don't ask. So
Okay, sorry, people.
I
Shashwat
lost you.
Sagar
Did
Singh.
I lose you?
Your
Yeah,
network is a problem. I can't hear you.
I can see you and hear you very.
Thank you for enlightening me that Atul Kapoor and Vijay Vikram Singh are the two voices of Big Boss.
One of them is the
Uh,
voice of Big Boss. The other one of them is the voice of Big Boss. Can you hear me?
okay, we
Can you hear
have
me?
to now. So we completely lost. We completely lost you. So
Can you
you
hear me
will have to
now?
repeat everything that you said. Now I can hear you. So I had completely lost you there.
Lovely. And I could see you all the time. Can you see me and hear me now, loud and clear?
Now I can see you and hear you.
Love.
So at that time, while you were buffering, I was just reading the stuff that had come. So yeah, sorry, you'll have to repeat.
Yeah, so I was saying that you're asking very intelligent and lovely questions. पहले तो ये. दूसरी
Okay,
बात,
thank
what you
you.
asked is the answer to that would be yes, indeed. In some ways, it is easier to dub for someone because you have a video reference in front of you. You know how that person looks, how that person is talking, and you've got to match that. But when you're doing a voiceover without a video, it could be a radio spot or a corporate audio visual, you've got to imagine that character in your mind. And with the power of your voice acting skills, you have to perform so that people who are listening to you can visualize you. I'll give you an example. आजकल most of our conversations happen on phone. लोगों का मिलना जुलना
Yeah.
इतना कम होता है. So when you talk to somebody on the phone, haven't you felt that, Shweta, kitni baar, that when you're talking to somebody whom you don't know, the way they talk makes you feel and imagine or perceive their personality.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't know whether that guy is wearing an Armani suit or a fashion street ka shirt. You don't care. What you care about is how is that guy speaking, and that makes you feel that if he speaks really well, and then you think that, oh, he must be some cool guy, he must be someone really important. So that's how you create magic about your personality with your voice acting. So that's what we do. One of our some of our really leading voices in the industry are not really people who are great lookers, who look great, but they probably voice for the most handsome looking actor on screen or the most beautiful looking actress on screen, because they have the power with their voice to
Voice.
make people believe that they are that actress or that actor. So it's actually quite magical what voice artists do.
Lovely inputs. Even Hira Mehta is saying the same thing. Lovely inputs, Darpan sir. And I want to ask you, this is something we learned in theater. How true is it that your voice reaches first when you're performing, and that's what happens. Like many a times, like you said, besides the phone, you're doing something and the radio's on, or even television for that matter. Since you dub for and you do voiceover for promos and all of it. So usually when a promo is coming, a person tends to get up and do some calls at that time before coming back. So obviously your voice is reaching before the video. So what is the whole like that for a fact that the voice is reaching. So is it challenging all the more that that okay, it's the voice that is going to make the person uh, get glued to get to the show? Like, so what are the challenges and pressures that you face in the beginning of your career?
Lovely question again. Yes, indeed. Getting people's attention to video is very simple. If you are a very hot looking girl or a very handsome guy, you come on stage and you suddenly command people's attention even before you speak the first word. But as a voice, it is difficult for us to command that attention because we are not seen. So yes, when let's say there is a television promo and obviously promos aate hain, people tend to move away. It becomes all the more challenging for the voice to be able to arrest their attention. And I think that's why working for television is very challenging. Because television may you have these bite-sized promos or advertisements, commercials, which you get to see. और उतने 30 सेकंड में आपको लोगों का attention आपको पकड़ के रखना है. That's why I guess it is only the best of the best talents that are hired by TV channels or TV commercial makers, because they know that the stakes are very high and they have just 30 seconds. So they cannot
Second.
really afford to work with someone who doesn't know the job. So it is challenging. Even in the beginning, it was very challenging. And even today, honestly, Shweta, all of us, whether it is me or whether it is a newcomer, whether an established veteran or a rookie, all of us have to work with an attitude that this could be the last job that we are doing. So you have to have that attitude that every recording you do could be the last recording if you do not do it well. And you have to have the same enthusiasm that it is your first recording. Because you can't get complacent. You can't feel कि हाँ ठीक है ना अब तो मैं बहुत
बड़ा आदमी बन गया हूं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता यहाँ पर. हर रोज आपको you have to perform every single day, and I think that's why all of us, you know, are always well oiled. We know our craft every day, so it is challenging but it is also very rewarding, क्योंकि उस challenge की वजह से we can always be on our toes when it comes to our craft.
Wow, this is something that I'm going to like everything, all the inputs that you've given is anyway something to be highlighted. But this is something I would like to tell everyone, because not only in voice, be it any performance, be it anything, always take it as your first time so that you have the enthusiasm and think it could be your last one. So enjoy and make the most of it. So this is something totally highlighted from our live chat today as of now, and I'm sure we have a lot more coming in. So back to another thing. You have done TV promos, you have done corporate shows, you have done so many things. Which is your favorite one? Like, which medium do you enjoy the most?
Which medium do I enjoy the most? So that's like choosing between your children.
I
So
know, I know. So, you know, maybe what you can
but then
do
you
is you
always
can
have a
just
favorite.
tell us.
Let me I'll tell
Exactly.
you what, I have an answer to this though. I would say television. The reason being, between television and advertising and corporate communication and audiobooks and radio and blah and blah and blah, television, because television has allowed me to explore my passion for traveling, simply because unlike advertising where you need to be in a studio with a client on your head, in television I have managed to carve a niche for myself where my clients trust me blindly. They know that if given a job to this guy, he will give us the best thing that is available or that we want. So with television promos or television, shows rather, I can be in any part of the world and I can still record and deliver. So I think for that reason, television would be my favorite. Absolutely.
And since we've spoken already about television and how you can record while you travel, and the traveler you are, and the Sufi traveler I would say, because you just pack your bags and you're like, "Chalo, मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरे microphone के साथ." So how is it recording when you're traveling? Because there are a lot of people around, and suddenly you get a call saying that okay, you have this timeline and you're somewhere else. So tell us about your adventures of traveling and recording at the same time.
अरे यार, ये तो आपने मेरे दुखती रग पे हाथ रख दिया. दुखती रग से ज्यादा सुखती रग, क्योंकि सुख वाली रग है, दुख वाली नहीं है. क्योंकि मेरे ट्रैवलिंग और वॉइस ओवर्स के एडवेंचर्स की स्टोरी ऐसी है कि पिक्चर बन सकती है. कोई
हाँ,
खरीदेगा
वो
नहीं,
तो
अलग
पता
बात
है.
है. मगर तो मैं इनफैक्ट फॉर द लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस lovely as in what people are saying, it's a lovely series on Instagram called The Traveling Voice Artist, where I'm telling people or talking to them about my various adventures. So let me share a few with you, because I have more than 150, more than 150 से ज्यादा मेरे adventures हैं.
इसीलिए मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही बोल दिया ना कि ये हमारा फर्स्ट सेशन है, बट फर्स्ट सेशन में मैं कवर नहीं कर सकती हूँ, और आई कंटिन्यू लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल एंड बीइंग योर फ्रेंड, सो वी हैव टू डू अ लॉट मोर लाइव सेशंस बिकॉज़ आई नीड टू नो अ लॉट मोर एडवेंचर्स.
नहीं. So नहीं, obviously. So let me probably tell you couple of them. बड़े मजे के एक दो इंसिडेंट्स हैं जो मैंने बताए थे. एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था रोम में, इटली में. रोम में मैं था, बैकपैक कर रहा था, और आई वाज लीविंग फॉर कोपेनहेगन. आई थिंक सवेरे की मेरी फ्लाइट थी 10 बजे की, एंड आई वाज स्टेइंग इन अ हॉस्टल. और हॉस्टल में डॉर्म रूम में था जिसमें 4 लोग थे रूम में, और सवेरे 6-6:30 बजे मुझे निकल जाना था फॉर माई फ्लाइट. आई हैड टू वॉक फ्रॉम माई हॉस्टल टू द बस स्टेशन. और बॉम्बे में उस वक्त 10:30 बजे थे, क्योंकि रूम में 6 बजे थे, 4.5 घंटा आ गया था बॉम्बे. तो जब मैं निकलने के लिए तैयार हुआ रूम से, तो मुझे अचानक से, लाइक यू जस्ट सेड, अचानक से स्क्रिप्ट आ गई, अचानक से रिक्वायरमेंट आ गया, एंड आई जस्ट हैड 10 minutes बिफोर आई वाज लीविंग फॉर द एयरपोर्ट. अब मैं क्या करूं, सुबह का 6 बजा था, 6-6:15 बजे थे, और मेरे हॉस्टल में रूम में बाकी 3 लोग सो रहे थे आराम से. बाकी तीनों गोरे फिरंगी और मैं अकेला इंडियन, और मैं सुबह निकल के तैयार होके नहा के रेडी हो रहा था. बैग वैग बंद किया और देखा कि मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट आ गई. तो मैंने मेरा माइक्रोफोन वगैरह निकाला और मेरे डॉर्म बेड को तैयार किया फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग. वो लगाया, रजाई वजाई लगाई, पर अब रिकॉर्ड कैसे करूं, क्योंकि सुबह का टाइम है, और अगर मैं रिकॉर्डिंग करूंगा, व्हेन यू आर रिकॉर्डिंग, यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग लाइक हाउ वी आर स्पीकिंग, यू हैव टू पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड एंथुसियाज्म. तो मैंने बोला कोई बात नहीं, ये लोग उड़ भी जाएंगे तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं समझा दूंगा इनको, क्योंकि रिकॉर्डिंग से ज्यादा जरूरी कुछ नहीं है मेरे लिए। तो मैं तभी जैसे ही मैं अंदर बैठा बंक बेड में माइक को सेट किया, आई रियलाइज दैट वन ऑफ द गाय वाज स्नोरिंग। ही वाज स्नोरिंग, और वो बराबर मतलब खर्राटे जैसा होता है ना वैसे ले रहा था। अब मैंने बोला यार ये तो फंस गया, मैं अब क्या करूं। वो मरता क्या ना करता, रिकॉर्ड तो करना था। तो मैंने क्या किया, उसके स्नोरिंग के बीच में एक एक लाइन रिकॉर्ड की। सो ही वुड स्नोर लाइक क्वाइट क्वाइट। वो जो टिपिकल स्नोरिंग का पैटर्न होता है, पहले आप स्नोर करते हो फिर आप शांत हो जाते हो। तो जब शांत हो रहा था बीच में, उस वक्त मैंने उसकी 5 मिनट की स्नोरिंग के बीच में मैंने बिटवीन स्नोरिंग मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया और उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग को मैंने वो रिकॉर्डिंग मेरे इंजीनियर को भेजी भागते भागते एयरपोर्ट जाते वक्त। और उसका मुझे फोन आता है, सर बीच में कोई खराटे ले रहा है। अरे मैंने कहा उसको काट दे भाई, मेरी आवाज को रख, क्लियर है एकदम। तो ये बहुत ही फनी सा इंसिडेंट हुआ था। ऐसे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट हुए। जब एक बार कहीं और अटक गया था, रिकॉर्डिंग करना बहुत जरूरी था, तो डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर के ट्रायल रूम में जाके मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया। I went into the trial room of a huge departmental store and I used woolen jackets from the store to cover that trial room so that
the sound does
sound के लिए, and I recorded from there. तो ऐसे किए। एक बार मैं एक आइलैंड पे था इस्तांबुल में, तो उस आइलैंड पे था मैं और मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग आ गई बहुत जरूरी। जैसे लोगों को जोर की आती है, मुझे जोर की रिकॉर्डिंग आती है, तो बहुत जोर की रिकॉर्डिंग आ गई। तो मैं उस आइलैंड से तैर के नहीं गया, बोट में गया, वेंट बैक टू माई हॉस्टल इन द सिटी, रिकॉर्डेड एंड देन टुक अ बोट अगेन एंड वेंट बैक टू द आइलैंड। तो ऐसे बड़े सारे किस्से हुए मेरे साथ। और कभी कभी मैंने एक बार एयरपोर्ट पे जो बच्चों का एक बाथरूम होता है, जो डायपर्स चेंजिंग करने के लिए जो होता है बाथरूम, उसमें रिकॉर्ड किया एक बार मैंने। और उसके अलावा गाड़ियों में तो टैक्सियों में तो कई बार रिकॉर्ड किया है। एक बार एक मिलिट्री का स्टेशन था दिल्ली के पास में, उसके सामने मैंने टैक्सी रोक के रिकॉर्ड किया। तो थोड़ी देर गाड़ी को सामने देख के मिलिट्री वाले को सस्पिशन हो गया, तो 4 लोग आ गए बंदूक लेकर। और अंदर बोला क्या चल रहा है अंदर, मेरे हाथ में माइक था तो उनको समझ में, मेरा माइक्रोफोन जो होता है थोड़ा अलग किस्म का होता है, वेरी हाई एंड माइक्रोफोन, तो देखने में माइक नहीं लगता है। तो दे गॉट सस्पिशियस, दे वर लाइक सर बाहर निकलिए, ये क्या है। और मेरी हालत खराब, मिलिट्री वाले बंदूक लेके खड़े हैं। तो फिर मैंने उनको समझाया कि पाजी मैं ऐसा करता हूँ, ये टीवी में आता हूँ मैं। उनको समझ में तो आता नहीं है वॉइस ओवर वगैरह क्या होता है। उनको बोलना टीवी में आता हूँ। अच्छा टीवी में आता हूँ, हाँ टीवी में आता हूँ, चलो फिर ठीक है। तो इस तरह के बड़े मजे के इंसिडेंट्स हुए।
So everyone, you all can follow his Insta handle and keep hearing the stories because we are short of time. So हमें तो ये बची कुची stories मिल गई हैं and we will get many more stories. But detail में आपको stories सुननी है तो आप please उनका handle follow कीजिए and please do hear the stories and keep sharing it with me also. And I'm following, I'm gonna know it. But you can keep sharing it with me too. And if there is anything that we've not asked, you can always DM him or me and we will get back to you on the questions. I'll get back to my question because I'm sure, आपने इतना किया और मेरे पास टाइम इतना कम है, मैं क्या करूँ अब? I have to cut you and get you back. So, आपने voice acting in India के लिए भी training की है. Like, you're training people and it's been 15 years you have been conducting training programs for voiceover artists. So how did you think of starting the whole training thing and how did you start with it?
So again, like I said at the beginning, that a lack I felt a lack of training platforms or training opportunities for people who want to get into the field. हमारे टाइम पे क्या था that we could learn on the job. People had that time for us, but today no one has the time to train you. Today you need to get into any profession. अगर आपको डॉक्टर बनना है तो आप हॉस्पिटल में जाके ये नहीं बोल सकते कि बस मुझे इच्छा है और मुझे ले लो। आपको 5 साल MBBS करना पड़ता है। उसी तरह वॉइस एक्टिंग भी एक प्रोफेशन है, एक कला है, एक आर्ट फॉर्म है, एंड यू हैव टू लर्न इट बिफोर यू गेट इनटू द फील्ड। यू नीड टू नो योर जॉब. So that was the whole idea that triggered off this thing about training people, and one thing led to the other, and started these training programs, and there have been hundreds and thousands of people who have been a part of my company, Sugar Medias. So my company primarily is an audio content company. That's our main business, is producing audio content. We have some lovely studios. We have our own production facility. Training is one of the things that we do. It started off with just एक शौकिया तौर पर मैंने किया, but now it's become an important part of our activity, and we're very proud of it.
And if I'm not mistaken, you are also doing a lot of Zoom workshops even while quarantine. तो ऐसा नहीं कि quarantine हो गया है तो आपने teaching बंद कर दी, उल्टे और बढ़ा दी है, and you've made everyone know about the craft. So tell us something about the new Zoom workshops that you've been conducting.
Yeah, so this is amazing. I think, all of us, Indians especially, are amazing at adapting to situations. कौन
Yeah.
सोच सकता था कि 3 महीने में पूरी दुनिया बदल जाएगी और 3 महीने में हमारा काम करने का जीने का अंदाज बदल जाएगा. But I think the only way to survive tough times, the
change your fish. उसी तरह one of the things that so हमारा जो काम है production का काम तो वो तो चल रहा है कि my team is working from home and many of our voice is at home set, so we are able to manage that. But training was one thing जो हमने online पहले कभी की नहीं थी. Once we started, we realized that online is much more intimate and much more valuable for people. And it's going on. It's picked up like a dream, and it's going on beautifully. And I think adapted to technology very well, and so have people. So I think that's the way to do in the long term. Not everyone can come to Mumbai, So this is
True.
a way to connect with people from all over India or even outside India. So it's going on well.
So may it go on very, very well, even post-quarantine, be it your Zoom classes, be it personal classes. There is a myth, though I personally believe there's no age for learning. But when it comes to voiceover, does the myth continue that there's a particular age or one can learn whenever one wants to learn?
The beauty about voice acting, Shweta, is what is our biggest, point that we are not people on camera. We are not glamorous people. It's actually the biggest blessing. Because unlike visual, acting, we do not have an expiry date in terms of age. Voice is like wine. It gets better with age. Trust me, every age, the older you get, the hotter you sound, I guess. And there is always demand and opportunity for people of every age group. So ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. You could be 5 or 75, and as long as you can speak and as long as you have the ability to learn, you can become a teacher. Absolutely.
Okay, so obviously everyone who wants to know more about voice training and all, they would be joining the classes. But if you could give us few tips that one can practice on daily basis, generally like, not to become a voiceover artist because for that we need to come and learn the craft, but some general tips for normal, like, अब मैं Insta live कर रही हूँ, अगर मेरी voice थोड़ी और sexy sound करेगी तो मेरा voice Insta का better होगा. So generally for layman.
आपकी वॉइस ऑलरेडी बहुत सेक्सी साउंड करती है तो प्लीज बाकियों को भी काम करने दीजिए. On a previous note, yes, there are a few things that voice is not just a tool for voice acting on the microphone. Voice, I guess, is the most underrated, the most important, part of our personality. So a few things that you can do. One is work on your language. Language is a very important part of your speaking skills. You can have a fabulous, sexy voice, but if you do not speak a language well, people will judge you. The world will judge you. That's how the world is. So work on your language, work on your breathing. अगर आप प्राणायाम वगैरह करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. तो आप इंस्टा लाइव भी जब करते हैं आप जो दिन में 4-4, 5-5 बार, you probably will get a little less tired between these sessions if you do some breathing exercises, particularly for the voice, the pranayam. It works wonders because it energizes your entire system. So that's one. Another important thing, especially if you want to become a voice actor, is practice your acting skills. Because there are 3 things which are very, very critical for voice actors. One is your language, your acting ability, and your physical voice. All 3 things are very, very critical. Physical voice can be developed gradually with breathing skills and voice exercises. Language can be developed over a period of time by listening a lot to people who speak the right language. जितना हम सुनेंगे उतना हम absorb करेंगे, and that is the way all of us get better with our language. We listen to other people who speak well. अब रही बात acting की, क्योंकि हमारा काम ऐसा है कि you can't have emotions in your mind. अगर आप इनहिबिशन रखेंगे तो आप एक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. So acting के लिए, the best thing is observe people, work with if you are a budding voice actor, if there are budding voice actors watching us, then work with multiple scripts, read out a script in multiple expressions, in multiple ways, and that way these are handy tips to work on your voice skills.
Okay, and if we have to come and join the voice workshop, voice, and learn more about the craft, which handle, like, do we follow Sugar Medias? Where all can we go
So
and source
Sugar
about
Media,
it and source?
Sugar Medias is today one of the strongest stakeholders of the voice industry in India, and for a lot of reasons. Not only are we a production house with a lot of credibility as an audio content house, but in the last many years we've been doing a lot of stuff for the voice industry. So the Sugar Medias, Sugar_Medias is on Insta and everywhere else, on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. We are one word, Sugar Medias, media with a Z. You can connect with us. And in fact, 2 years back, we started the biggest revolution, or the most revolutionary platform in the Indian voice industry, called India Voice Fest. So India Voice Fest is a Sugar Media's baby. And last year we had a very big event where we had more than 800 people joining in from all over India. We had the likes of Kabir Bedi, Javed Jafri joining us, and we had everyone from the industry who matters. That everyone was there. So that's a big platform. 2020, we have India 2020 coming up at the end of this year, and I'm sure this year it will be a bigger success. So everyone who wants to connect with anything about voice, connect with Sugar Media.
And 2020 will be a bigger success. 2021 will be bigger and bigger, and may this thing just keep on increasing and climbing the ladder. That's for
And,
sure. Because
and I want to invite you for India Voice Fest 2020, Shweta. You have to be there. I'm going to personally invite
definitely, I'm not going to miss it for anything, because we are going to have many more lives and we are going to have so many more questions coming in. Because literally, I'm telling you, when I had the questions pouring in, especially on the DM, I was like, okay, I need to cut down. I don't know what to ask, because obviously it's such a vast field, and it is obviously even today, like you're talking back then when people didn't know. Today there is a lot more mediums, like you said, audiobook is there, and even right now, like Amazon and all of them are having the radio audio shows. So suddenly
Absolutely.
there's so many opportunities, and suddenly people have realized that this can be their side business. People have realized the value of voice even on general basis, like not just as an opportunity to do something more, but podcasts have suddenly picked up, like earlier where people knew about podcasts and all of it. So I had people pouring in, and I was like, okay, what do I ask and what shouldn't I? Then I had to just keep it okay. It's one life. I will have just few minutes with you, so let me see what I can. So that is how
No, no,
we just came up
I
with
think,
these.
I think we've packed in a lot in this little time. And
Yeah.
you're right, you're right, you're right. Voice today, people have become more aware about their, about how it can shape their personality and in some ways change their lives. Absolutely.
So thank you for joining us live. And yes, we would want to do many more live sessions. And also when you're having your event, we would want to do especially one live session for that event. And may Sugar Medias keep growing and growing, and may the
How sweet.
craft of
How
voice
lovely.
go everywhere. So
How
wish you
lovely. Thank
tons
you,
of
Shweta.
success.
It has been one of my most fabulously entertaining, interesting, invigorating, और कोई adjective है, but it has been a lovely
Thank you.
time, with you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this opportunity to be with you, and I was obviously joking about the money. I'm thankful that you will try. Don't worry about it. But thanks, Shweta. We'll hopefully catch up soon.
See you soon. Take care and enjoy the travels from home.
Yes, thank you.